Hello and welcome to my video, lesson 7.4 on the number of solutions. So this is a system of equations where we're looking at the number of possible solutions to that system of equations, and this is specifically linear equations. So we're going to take a look at the three possible situations when it comes to a solution set for a system of linear equations. Before we do that, I'm just going to actually, I'm going to make us a graph. So there is only one solution when the slopes are different. So this is everything in the unit so far. It is most obvious when the slopes are like opposite, like one's positive, one's negative, but this is actually true no matter what. Whenever the slopes are different, there's always going to be one solution. So this purple dot there is the solution. It's the only solution to that set. Okay, you could have no solutions. This occurs when the slopes are the same, but a point is different. So oftentimes we're going to check the y-intercept, but it doesn't have to be the y-intercept that you check. You can check any point. As long as one point is different and the slopes are the same, they're never going to touch. Okay, and then the last case is there's an infinite number of solutions when you have both the same slope and the same y-intercept. So I'm just going to just go right on top there without trying to cover it up too much. Okay, so it looks something like that. So right on top, that means they have the same slope and the same point. Okay, so those are the three situations to keep in mind when you are solving these equations, when you're being asked how many solutions there are to a specific equation. So here are two different questions for you guys to try. So think about it, pause the video, try it out yourself. Okay, hopefully you were able to pause it. Now you're pressing play to see if you got the right answers. So here are the three situations. So given the equation above, how many solutions are there for each of the equations below when put into a system with the above equation? So basically we need to check the slope first. So does this and this have the same slope? No. So this has one solution because the slope is different. Now, the checking B, do they have the same slope? Yes, they do have the same slope of 2. Okay, then you check a point, usually the y-intercept, and if it's the same, then you'd have infinite solutions, otherwise you're going to have 0 solutions. So this is 0 solutions. Okay, and then our last situation here, well, we're going to actually have to do a little bit of rearranging, so divide by 2 everywhere. And once you do that, you can see that it's actually the same equation as above, so that it has the same point and the same slope, so there are infinite solutions to this equation, to that solution set, I should say. Okay, now let's take a look at the second set, the second equation here, the second question here. So we're given an original function, and which of the equations below has no solutions with the equation above? Select all that apply. So we want ones that have no solutions. They have to have the same slope, okay, but a different point. So how do we check to see if that's the case? So here, we can we can move the 2 over, okay, and then we get, well, okay, there's a few ways to think about this, okay? You could solve each of these for y equals mx plus b, and maybe I'm going to do that for you guys first, and then I'm going to show you guys the simpler way. So for this one, if we want to get y equals mx plus b, we get 3y equals 2x minus 4. So I subtracted by 6 on both sides. I added 2x to both sides. Then I divide by 3 on both sides, so y equals 2 over 3x minus 4. Okay, now I'm going to look at the next one here. Actually going to choose a different color. I'm going to look at this next one. So it's going to be y equals, and this one's going to be easier, 2x minus 6. And there's nothing more we can do there. The next one is going to be 3y equals 2x minus 8. Okay, but that's not done yet because we have to divide by 3 everywhere. So 2 over 3x minus 8 over 3. And actually, I'm just seeing it right now. I made a mistake with my blue one. It's 4 over 3. I forgot to divide by 3 there. But it doesn't really matter the point. You'll see in a second. Okay, and our last one here is 3y equals x plus 6. No, minus 6. Then you divide by 3 everywhere, so y equals 1/3 x minus 2. Okay, so we've got our 4 different situations. Which of these have the same slope as the above equation? Well, we can take the above equation, do the same sort of thing. 3y equals 2x minus 6, then divide by 3 everywhere, so we get y equals 2/3 x minus 2. So which of these have the same value for the slope? Well, these ones have the same value for the slope, right? And none of the other ones do. Now, it has no solutions because the points are actually different. So, this, and this are all equal, so A and C are the correct answer because these are different. All right. Yeah, so that is the basics of the number of solutions for a linear function. I hope that helps you better understand that, and good luck.